had to run back home. I was getting ready for work, and my friend had a flat, so I had to come get him from on the side of the road. So basically, now I'm in his car since he have a donut on it, and I'm close to my job or whatever. So yeah, shit. So yeah, that's sorry, y'all. He called to make sure that I'm okay. I'm okay. But anyways, not sure what today consists of. I know my son have his basketball practice today. Of course, I'm running late for work, but I need to go and jump on this meeting, which is on, you know, since COVID, everything be on Teams. So I'm gonna try to hurry up and go get my work phone and jump on this meeting. Oh my goodness. Okay, y'all. So I'm sorry, y'all. I be vlogging from my phone, and every time I get a phone call, it'll turn off my video. So y'all go ahead and keep watching my videos so I can hit this threshold on YouTube. So I'm gonna buy me a camera. I ain't saying that money is gonna make me buy the you know, hitting the threshold right off the bat ain't enough to buy a camera, but I'm gonna invest in myself once you know, I hit another achievement. So we ain't got to worry about no interruptions while I am recording. But anyways, y'all, I'm gonna whoa, that feel good. Okay, anyways, y'all, I'm finna hang this up so I can rush, so I can get on this meeting at work. So I will hit y'all back in a little bit. Okay, y'all, I'm finna get ready to head on into work finally. But I'm just trying to see. I wanted to. Have y'all ever had that? I think it's called the pink drink. It's a refresher at Starbucks made with, I think they make it with coconut milk. That was really good. And I don't think it's just as high. Well, according to the internet, it said it was like for the venti. I think that's the one that's next to the tall. They said it was like under 140 calories, if I'm not mistaken. That drink is so good, but I'm trying not to buy it because I'm trying to cut back on spending, but like, Lord, I want that drink. So with my I think I'm gonna go ahead and make a smoothie this morning, and then I use Fetch Rewards. It looked like I may have over 20,000 points, which is equal to $20. So I might redeem it for a gift card. That's what I'm thinking. But if I'm not, I haven't ever redeemed it before, but thinking, I don't know if it take a couple of days or not. But y'all, I don't know if y'all heard about Fetch Rewards, which I see a lot of influencers talking about it. That's where, that's where I learned it from, watching some of the other influencers, and I just scanned my receipts. So I'm finna see how it work. I think I'm gonna redeem it for a Starbucks gift card, and then see how long it takes to receive it. But I think this morning I'm gonna go ahead and make me a smoothie here at the house. I'm not doing I don't plan on doing the liquid fast today. I don't plan on it. But I think I'm finna make a smoothie this morning though. It's just a healthier choice than me stopping by Chick-fil-A. And I already said that, you know, it's December. I have to get ready to prepare to buy these kids Christmas stuff. And I wanted to cut back on buying fast food and spending unnecessary money. Because I need to look at my finances and see where the hell I be spending my money at. So I need to cut back on. I've been cooking all week. So yeah, I think I'll make me that. But you know what, another thing I'll do, I might still redeem my gift card because I earned it from scanning my receipts. Y'all can use, if y'all want to, y'all can use my referral code if you have never heard of it. If I'm telling you about it for the first time, I will put it on the screen, and once you use my referral code, me and you can get some points. So I'm gonna start putting people on like I was put on. But I think I'm gonna still redeem that, and then focus on scanning more receipts and stuff. I might just redeem it for a $10 gift card. and keep the other $10 on there, the other 10,000 points. And yeah, but I was finna say what I can do is look up the copycat pink drink ingredients and buy it and make my own at home. Yep, I think I might get some little strawberries, put it in there. So yeah, I be rambling, knowing I ain't got to go to these folks' job, but I did get on my I did get on Teams this morning, and so I have attended a meeting this morning already. So I'm working. So I'm gonna make my smoothie and head over to I went to another location other than the one I made. So I'm probably not gonna drive my friend car since he put it on a donut, and I forgot I have to attend a leadership class too. So yeah, I'm probably finna jump in my other car and head to work. Get this day over with. Go straight into mommy mode. And hopefully, y'all, if I don't get to go to the gym today, what I'm thinking I'm gonna do, since my son has practice, I'm thinking he have to go to practice from 6 to 8. That's 2 hours. So I'm thinking I'll drop him off, run to 5 and below, get me and my second from the oldest daughter a jump rope. Maybe the little one too. I'm pretty sure she got one. But Z, my baby, my second daughter, she loved a jump rope. And so she been asking for a jump rope. She wanted it in her stocking, which I was gonna do, which she might get another one, I don't know. But since I need a jump rope today, so I might get her one too. And I'm thinking I'm gonna go in the garage, since we'll be getting back late and I have to cook, because I'm not buying fast food. I think I'm gonna go in the garage, jump rope, and do my 100 sit-ups tonight. But if I'm feeling froggy, I'm gonna leap and I'm gonna go to the gym. So either way it go, I want to keep exercising. And keep it going, because like I said, I need to slim up this waistline. I'm not really worried about none of the rest. Everything else can get wider except for my arms and my waistline. I need that to get smaller. So might even do my dumbbells. I didn't do it last night. Those 100 sit-ups almost killed me, y'all. It was in fast motion on the vlog. If y'all haven't seen, watching my previous vlog, day 7 Vlogmas, they almost killed me. So, but I got them in. I got the 100 sit-ups in, and I plan on getting them in today. I'm going to get it in today. So, yep. Why I be procrastinating? This is crazy. I'm trying to figure out, what do that mean? Is it procrastination? Because I do be late for almost everything. It ain't just work. Or is that a sign I don't need to be going? I don't need to be on nobody else's time. I think it's a little bit of both. But yeah, y'all, I'm making the same smoothie from yesterday. Coconut milk, not coconut milk. This is a different kind. I usually use almond milk, but this is coconut almond blend, and it's 45 calories. I think the unsweetened almond milk that I usually get be 30 calories from a different brand, so 45 calories. I don't taste the difference. So I'm basically using the same thing that I did yesterday: coconut milk, almond coconut milk, but now I know some peanut butter. So same, different day. I'll see y'all in a minute. Okay, y'all. So my throat, y'all. Okay, so I'm leaving Walmart. I just want to pick the camera up. I'm off work. I wanted to pick up a few things so that I can quote unquote cook, like I said. I'm not feeling too good though. I don't know what it is. I'm hoping it ain't nothing serious, but I'm just not. My throat feel a little bad. I feel a little bad, to be honest. Yeah, I feel a little bad. So I'm hoping I can shake it, or I'm thinking it's just my body. I exercised for the first time in a long time yesterday, so I'm thinking hopefully it was something, just my body just got shook up or what. I don't know. But anyways, I'm really just driving and rambling. But when I was just picking up the camera, I went to Walmart. I think I'm just going to make some quick quick rotel dip or nachos. We call it nachos. Some people call it rotel dip. I had to buy another crock pot because during the, if you live in Texas, last year, I think around February, we had an ice storm. And everybody was off work. We was basically, quote unquote, snowed in. As we took a trip into Tennessee. We was in the snow, came back, and we was all out for work and everything. So we had like a kickback at one of our friends' house, and I left my crock pot over there. So I ain't got it back since. You know how us people do it. Like, I ain't got my crock pot back yet. So I just bought me another one. So I'm gonna make the ground beef and put this the nachos on as soon as I get home. So that'll be done probably before I take my son to practice, so the kids can eat. So after practice they can bathe and all of that and lay down. But yep, I was just picking the camera back up, eat my apples. I'm finna turn on my radio and see y'all in a little bit. I do. Hey y'all. Oh my god, y'all. I'm feeling under the weather. I took my son to practice and y'all, like, I don't know, I can't shake it. Remember last night when after I did my sit-ups and stuff, I said my voice sounded funny. I'm like, I hope I'm not getting sick. I think I'm getting sick. And you remember last night I said I'm getting a bump on my face? That ugly bump. And you remember last night when I said Mother Nature's around the corner? I'm just not feeling it, y'all. Like, I don't know. Earlier I had a sore throat. You could tell in my eyes, though. Earlier I had a sore throat. And now I'm just, like, tired. Super tired. I need to do my sit-ups and stuff, though. But I'm not feeling good at all. But I don't want to... use that as an excuse, but I am not feeling good. I just want to sleep. So, I don't know. I'm going to try to wait like 15 minutes and then get up. Try to do my sit-ups and at least my sit-ups and maybe some dumbbell curls. And then soak in the tub. But if I can't push myself to do my sit-ups, which I should, I'm going to just go get in the tub and then into the bed. I'm trying to debate, like, seriously. I'm going to see how I feel in the morning. I don't know. Y'all laying with me? Oh, man. But, yeah, I wanted to make me one of those refreshers. I bought all the ingredients today at Walmart to make that pink drink from Starbucks. But maybe I'll make that tomorrow. Yeah. I'm not really feeling like nothing. It's like, what, 9:30? Shoes, I think. It's like 9:30. Oh, stomach hurt from going to sit up. I found this drink at the store a while ago. I don't need it. It's 180 calories for the whole bottle, so it ain't too bad. But it's cranberry, apple, raspberry. I just want something cold on my throat. This sounds good, though. Oh, yeah, I got to do my sit-ups. Oh, no, I hate when I'm feeling like this. I'm always tired, but Tastes alright. As much as I drunk it down though, see if you can see. It's like all the way down here. And I said it tastes alright. It do, it's just I was thirsty. I really should have drunk me some water. That's what I needed. So y'all, not feeling it. I'm so tired. I literally can't fall asleep. And then I'm mad. I made rotel. It was so good. I ate some of that. And my kids don't want it. Like, I made all of that rotel dip. My friend didn't come over because he'll usually eat. He just asked me to, when I was out, he asked me to bring him some, and then he fell asleep. So I ain't worried about it because I can take it to my uncle's or I can take it somewhere. But I told them kids, I ain't cooking tomorrow. They so picky. Didn't even taste it. Well, my son did. He liked it. It was good to me too, but I didn't want that. I could have made tacos. I could have made hamburgers with that ground beef. I could have made something else. Homemade meatballs and gravy with rice. You know what I'm saying? Like, y'all seen me cooking and stuff. Nobody said they didn't want it. And it won't go to waste. Because whatever my son don't eat leftovers tomorrow, I'm taking the rest to my uncles or somebody to eat the nachos. Like, that's just how it is when you have spoiled children. And I'm not cooking tomorrow. And I'm not buying no fast food tomorrow. So, hey, they either can eat that, make a sandwich, warm up something in that freezer, in the refrigerator, fast. Like, I don't care. I'm not cooking tomorrow at all. Okay, y'all. I'm going to have to end the vlog. So, I'm going to have to end the vlog here so that I'm able to edit it. I'm able to edit and, I'm just not feeling this. And at work, I could test myself for COVID, but they don't want us doing it without seeing a doctor. Basically, without no order. So, maybe it depends on how I feel in the morning. I'd rather I should just get on a doctor's schedule or call in or just duke it out. I'm going to see. But like I said, it didn't get no better. So we'll see. I'm going to feel so bad if I don't do my sit-ups. Because I just started it yesterday. Like, I can't fall off this quick. But I'm so tired. But that's the devil.